Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can join or create a guild in Dragon Ball Legends. You can join a guild and meet tons of new friends in this game, Dragon Ball Legends. Before we start, I made this video is for beginner that are still new into this game, how to challenge the event, how to complete the mission, the story, and how you can get the rewards from it. So let's get started by tapping the menu button and tap this one, the guild tab. And this is the recommended guild. There are 4 seasons average. This is the condition you can join. And also, for example, this one, first rule of Fight Club, 0 point kick, 1 win. Join us to be perfect. So there are some conditions here. And also you can search the guild ID or request, or even you can create your own guild by fill the name, change the icon, objective, and many more. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also click thanks button below. Enjoy the game.